I hope you can hear me. I'm going to show you how to get your kids into Kahn Academy because the email link is not working. So what you're going to do is go to kahnacademy.org. And when you get here, and if you can't hear me, just watch, or can't hear me well, watch the mouse. Go to Learners. When you get here, you are going to enter a class code. Go there, and right here you are going to enter the number 8 C N K S D U C. 8 C N K S D U C, and click Add. This should pop up. When that has added, go log into your existing account. Then your kid should already be in Google and click Continue with Google. Now, I am signed in as Olivia, so Olivia doesn't need to sign in, but make sure this is your Gmail account. So you'll click Allow. Okay, you want to say Onward. Click your age. And you should come to this page. Then you know that you're in. Okay? Excellent.